Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And it's been a very long time. I was busy up in school. Now I'm done, so I have all the time to give you the content that you always wanted. So please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. So today I'll be teaching you how to play Intentional by Travis Greene on the key of C. All right, so I'll play the song, then I give you the full piano tutorial after. Okay, so let's go. All things are working for my good. It's intentional, never fail. All things are working for my good. It's intentional, never fail. It's working for me. It's working for me. It's working for me. I don't have to worry, God. It's working for me. It's working for me. It's working for me. Alright guys, so that's kind of a breakdown of the song. The song is very simple and the chord progression is just so simple. Alright, so it's a 6, alright. So we are starting with a 6, 6, 5. I'm giving you the chord progression. 6, alright, 5, alright, and we go to 1, alright. Then the second time we go to 2. Okay, but notice that I was using this is 2 and now this is D, F, A. So I'm using the inversion. All right, see, so if I invert, I have this, then the second inversion I'll have A, Z, and F. All right, so this is what I was using for 2, and for 3 the same thing. I use second inversion for 3, that is B, E, and G. Alright, then alright, for F as well I use inversion, because this F, first inversion, second inversion. Alright, so that's the chord progression. So the chord progression is very simple. So it's 6, 5, 1. Alright, now 2, 3, and 4. That's all. Alright, so this is it. Here we go. Alright, so notice that this time around when you play the 6, and now you go to the 5, 5, 1. When you are going to the 5, you press B with your left. So it's like La, Ti, Do. Alright, so this is it. But here you are playing the chords. We go 6, 5, 1. Right? So La, Ti, Do with your left, while you're playing the chords with the right. Let's do it again slowly. La, Ti, Do. 2, 2, 3, 4. I take it again. And 6, 5, 1, and 2, 2 inversion, 3 inversion, 4. That's all about the song. All things working for my good. It's intentional, never failing. Okay, all things working. So it's a repetition. Even oh. have to worry, cause it's working for me. It's working for two. It's 3 and 4. Alright, so guys, you see that it's a very simple one. I hope we grabbed it. It's very simple. So even up here in C sharp, we do the same thing. Alright. Alright. All things are working for my good. It's intentional. Never fail. We go to 6. All things are working for my good. It's in 2. 2, 3. Alright, you see. So this our 6 in C sharp. Those things working. Now 5. Voila, 1. Alright, 5, 1. It's intentional. 2. Okay, 2. You can play this or use 2. 3. Notice that 3 is this. Alright. All the keys you can just do, just to know the chord progression. Alright guys, that's all about the lesson. I hope you learned something. Do subscribe to my channel. God bless you immensely. Thank you.